Hii mawa ndi pa 10 June pamene ndithu date limeneli date lowawitsa kwambiri mmoyo, pamene tikuona kuti lero pa 9 linali ngati lero pa 9 pamene Dr. Chilima amabwera kuchokera ku South Korea. Ndiye ndithu tikupatsireni soni zinthu zingapo ndithu makamaka zongokhudza ndi ulendo wawo, mapitidwe komanso zimene anakayankhula komanso mpaka kufika kwawo. Ndiyebe tiyeni tikhale pomwepo tionere pamene tikudikirira kuti mawa pa 10 June tikumbukire ndithu moyo wa Dr. Klaus Chilima. Guys, thank you so much, Malawi and Cameras.
In sum, therefore, I think this has been a good trip. We have set the base and the tone. We will have to individually, the respective sectors, follow through from the conversations that we've had. We had Minister of Agriculture here, Trade here, Information and Digitalization here, Finance here, and of course Foreign Affairs, and their teams, including the Malawi Investment Trade Center. I think it's a good start to a long-term relationship for a better future. I had also the opportunity to meet with the former Secretary General of the United Nations, His Excellency Ban Ki-moon, who heads an institution called the Green Global Growth Initiative. I hope I've put it correctly, it's called GGGI. And they've committed to come and open an office in Lilongwe, which office is also going to help pool resources for climate-related activities. In short, therefore, from the summit itself, it went on very well. We've made our case. We'll have to follow up. On the Green Climate Fund, it's good news because the funds will be disbursed in the next 45 days or so. But that we have got the confirmation. On the Minister of Agriculture, they have signed their MOU. Minister of Trade, they have signed the framework. And indeed, we will be getting the GGI folks to come and set up in Malawi so that we could benefit Yoon Soo-yeol, the President of the Republic of Korea, Your Excellency Mohammad Ghazwani, President of the Islamic Republic of Mauritania and Chairperson of the African Union, Your Excellency Musa Faki Mohammed, Chairperson of the African Union Commission, Your Excellencies, Heads of Government and State, distinguished leaders of delegation, ladies and gentlemen. I am deeply honored to be part of this historic occasion when African leaders have gathered here at this auspicious occasion of the first Korea-Africa Summit to share experiences with Korea and devise strategies on how to collectively forge ahead. Allow me to extend our heartfelt gratitude to Your Excellency Yoon Soo-yeol, the government and the people of the Republic of Korea for the warm hospitality and the exceptional arrangements made for our delegation since our arrival in this splendid city of Seoul. On behalf of the people of Malawi, the home heart of Africa, we say thank you. Let me also take advantage of this opportunity to congratulate the government of the Republic of Korea for successfully hosting this summit, as evidenced by the impressive turnout of African nations gathered here to witness the inaugural Korea-Africa Summit. This outstanding assembly stands as a testament to the shared commitment towards strengthening ties and fostering collaboration between the Republic of Korea and the African continent. Co-chairpersons, the chosen theme, the future we make together, shared growth, sustainability and solidarity, resonates well with the pressing global challenges we are confronted with today. These challenges know no boundaries, race, religion or age. It is therefore befitting that we converge today in such a large number in a concerted effort to tackle the complex global challenges that beset us. Co-chairpersons, Africa's rise on the development trajectory is undeniable, fueled by abundant land and mineral resources, vast water bodies, and a burgeoning market with over 1.3 billion people. Our ambitious vision is of regional economic integration through the Africa Continental Free Trade Area is a demonstration that Africa is ready to contribute significantly towards global economic development and advancement. We are therefore glad to have the Republic of Korea as our valued partner in unlocking Africa's vast developmental potential through mutual cooperation. Malawi envisions to transform into an inclusively wealthy, self-reliant, and industrialized upper middle income country by the year 2063. To achieve the desired transformation, the government of Malawi has devised a strategic approach that is christened ATM strategy, emphasizing investments in the growth sectors of agriculture, tourism, and mining. These sectors have been identified as the key drivers of economic growth and development, with the potential to rapidly advance food security, job creation, as well as wealth generation. By prioritizing investment and implementing targeted interventions in these critical areas, we aim at unlocking their full potential and accelerating progress towards our national development goals. We are therefore pleased to note that the priorities outlined in our national development aspirations align very closely with the focus of the 2024 Korea-Africa Summit. This alignment underscores our shared commitment to addressing key challenges and opportunities for enhancing the well-being of our respective citizens. Indeed, as partners, we need to strive to achieve our aspirations of this summit. We welcome the 7 priority areas that have been outlined by the government of the Republic of Korea to deepen its partnership with Africa. We know that there is trade imbalance between Korea and most of African countries, which gives us the impetus to expand the volume of trade and investment, expand the various trade and investment promotion prospects, and at the same time, develop human capital. We are pleased with the government of Korea's commitment to provide $14 billion in export financing to Korean companies by the year 2030 in order to promote trade and investment in Africa. For us in Malawi, infrastructure development is also paramount. We need, just like in many other African countries, well-connected and durable infrastructure to grow our domestic markets and boost economic development. We believe that the $10 billion official development assistance that the government of Korea is pledging to facilitate cooperation between Africa and Korea will benefit Malawi as it also benefits all of us on the continent in Africa. We also appreciate the Tech4 initiative aimed at enhancing digital capabilities of the youth in Africa. This initiative holds immense potential to empower the youth with the skills and tools needed to thrive in the digital age, thereby contributing to economic empowerment and social progress in Africa. In conclusion, the government of Malawi fully welcomes the government of Korea's commitment to build a future together with Africa as equal partners to achieve shared growth and mutually beneficial prosperity. And I wish to say this, that Korean businesses are welcome to Malawi. In an increasingly interconnected world, the importance of working together towards a common vision for a better future cannot be overstated. Hence, this theme encapsulates the shared vision, aspirations, and commitment of both the Republic of Korea and the African continent, Malawi to be specific, to forge a path towards a more inclusive, sustainable, and prosperous tomorrow. I thank you for your